There's enough for our parents. I want to contribute to no pitney dirty thinking behavior. Cause when no pitney wrong, you nah tell them say they wrong. You gigi and skin off on the teeth. Make him stay, man, him young. Why you not keep them on the yard? Keep on the crossbreed. You know all mongrel you no have on the yard, make them kill you no. Why you not send them out here? You no can't control them on the yard. Why you not send them out here for them kill the teachers them and kill people innocent pitney? And under their yard. Alright. Let me tell you something. Don't bother feel like so them a come out here come stab up and shot and kill people innocent little pitney. And go to jail, go spend them 2 years and 3 years and come out back and all is well. And a mother and a father and a family ball. And under their yard and eat and fat and take man. You not go feel the rat tight, you know. You not go feel the rat. And when they come from jail, them go feel it. And them feel like people are go ball. And them are go alright. Keep on a crossbreed when mixed with Rottweiler and mongrel and shih tzu and wasp and rat on the yard. Cause little boy them now have the girl syndrome virus. When them out here fight for girl. Them now fight for book and pencil. Them out here fight for girl. When we don't want some of them. Cause them dunce like me. You need to take a whole entire family. Carry them from the blue mountain, go tie them with rope. Make them name green coffee and name grass. Them not doing it with civilized people. Them a little boy not doing it with civilized people. Carry them go bush, go let them go like wild hog. Why, oh God almighty boy.